All right, so if you're wondering when is it a bad time to invest in real estate, then this is the right video for you. My name is Davin Sudvik with the House Hacker Tribe, and normally we talk about real estate investing strategies on this channel so you can outperform the market and outcompete other investors. But like I said, today we're going to be talking about when is it a bad time to buy real estate, and there's two answers to that question, and we're going to actually answer both of them. So either it's a bad time for you personally to buy real estate and you need to wait, or it is a bad time in the marketplace to buy real estate and you're going to be trying to time the market. So, on this channel, we generally avoid trying to time the market, but we will address a situation where the market might be more difficult than other times in order to invest in real estate. And so during these times, it's going to be when rents are low compared to the property value and compared to the interest rate. Now, that might sound complicated, but I'll give you one example. Let's just say that a property is worth $100,000 and it rents out at 5% of that property's value. Now, that's pretty good compared to COVID, where a lot of properties were renting at 4% or even lower for the property value before rents went back up and interest rates were really low. But at 5%, if you can get a 3% interest rate, then that is actually a fantastic rate because, 5% is bigger than your interest rate plus your appreciation gain, which I'll get into in a minute here. And so let's just say that the numbers were a little bit different. You have the same 5%, right? So you receive $5,000 in rent for your $100,000 property, but your interest rate is bigger than 5%. Now we have to start looking into the future as far as projected growth rates and seeing if we will eventually break even as the market appreciates, so rents rise over time, and your interest rate is going to stay the same. If not, maybe you'll be able to refinance at a lower interest rate. And so it's going to be more difficult to buy a property when rents are at 5% and interest rates are above that price. So that is how you essentially know when the market's difficult to make a profit in immediately. So that is if you're trying to time the market. On the other side of things, how do you know when it's a bad time for you to buy real estate? Well, one of the things is that you have no savings. When you have little to no savings, that could be a sign that it's a bad time for you to buy real estate. Now, if you're buying a home for personal use and you have a low down payment program and you're buying a house that's relatively clean, which means that it has no signs of deferred maintenance, then there could be some reason to potentially invest in real estate in this particular case scenario. But like I said, in general, having a low savings or low reserves is generally a good sign that maybe you need to hold off on buying some real estate. Another key factor with investing in real estate personally is if you don't have a real estate strategy. Now, if your strategy is just to buy a home and own it, that is still a strategy, and you need to understand, how to use that strategy in the best case scenario. But I would definitely say that if you have a much stronger strategy, and we will actually go over strategies on this channel. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely give us a subscribe and check out some more of our videos. But if you're prepared to profit when the real estate market goes up and you're prepared to profit when the real estate market goes down, then you're in a great position to either continue buying real estate or to wait, because like I said, you've positioned yourself to where you win in either scenario. And like I said, in this video, we don't have enough time to talk about all of these different strategies, but if you don't have any of these strategies in place, then maybe you want to get some more education before you go into the real estate market. That way, you're not necessarily losing any opportunities that you could have been taking advantage of, whether the market takes a dive or if the market appreciates, because most people only have a plan for one, and you should have a plan for both. So that was this video for today. We're trying to keep it simple for right now. So definitely give us a comment down below if you've got any questions on the real estate market. If you want us to let you know if the real estate market might crash in 2022, always let us know if you want those types of videos, because we usually get our videos from people asking questions either on our channel or people that just reach out to me personally, whether it's on Facebook or text message. So like and subscribe and have a great day. Thanks for watching.